Morning everyone, welcome back to the new video. In the last video you probably remember I was talking about changing the airbags over, and the fact that they got two different sockets on the airbags. I'll just show you there. One there, that's the airbag that's come out, obviously deployed, and then there is the new airbag that I got from my supplier. And so I went back there this morning to get a new airbag, one that's the same as this one, and it says to me, oh no, that's it's melted. Oh, what? It's melted. The black piece has come out. And I looked at it and he's only right. Let me have a zoom in. There you go. I don't know if you can tell there, but round here, look, this is all melted. It's all melted. So there should have been a little black piece in there, which you can see there. And what happened was, when the airbags fired off and it's got hot, the little black piece has come out. He says to me, it'll be on the end of the plug. So let's have a look at the plug that's in the car. And sure enough, there it is. So that little black circle thing on the end of the plug shouldn't be there. It's that should be in the airbag. So I'll just pull it off, 2 seconds. There you go. So don't make the same mistake that I did. How stupid. Oh my God. Okay, so I can now fit the new airbag in there. It'll just connect up and drop straight in. So let's get that done. And there we go, one new airbag fitted. Right, let's move on. Welcome back to the video, guys, on the Corsa SRI, Corsa E, front end damage repair. Okay, so if you've seen in the last video, we've bought ourselves one of these Clark pullers, body pullers. And we're going to have a go today at straightening up this leg here. So at this time we've got some tension from another car, just pulling it that way. So hopefully that should help that leg to go across a little. And we're pushing against this leg. So I've put a little string mark here, because what we don't want is for this leg to be going that way. If anything, we think it actually does need to come a tad this way. And how we're going to do this is we're going to have a centre line, and then we're going to measure 50-50, if you like, so to make sure we got equal spread from it on either side. So that's our plan, if it goes to plan, of course. So right, let's get pushing on this and see what happens. I'll see if I can set you up and against this leg to see if I can show you how it's moving. If it does, of course. Right, let's stop waffling. Okay guys, hope you can see that okay. It's a little bit sunny today, so let's see how we go. Let's start pumping. Yeah, it's moving guys. Let's just move this string to the front. Now we can. Still not enough. Still dropping around that corner. Okay, let's carry on. Yeah, the problem is the other leg is moving out. So yeah, let me just show you. So that one's pushing out, no problem, but it's also trying to spread this one as well. Even though it's all still connected up with everything, it is still pushing it, because that was across the whole. If anything, the leg needs to go the other way. So right, we're gonna have to start securing that chassis over there, I think. Right, we'll come back to you. Well, it's always full of surprises, this one, guys. Let's show you what we got. Okay, so holes here, pretty much there or thereabouts. Okay, very slightly out there, but we're there. Okay, this one, this leg, as we suspected, is to go very, very slightly to the left. This bar here is nowhere near. Nowhere near. That's where it needs to be now, so we're in the right place. Okay, however, those will not fit in there. So this whole radiator pack needs to go to the left. Same this side, okay? And the bolts on this leg are not close, so that we know that leg's got to come over. And that panel now is near enough there. I'll pull that out slightly. Okay, so what we're going to do is we've attached the car to, this is an old motorhome we got, about 6.5 ton, so it shouldn't be moving too far. We attach the car on the chassis in there, nice and tight. Hopefully that won't pull. And then I'm going to push this radiator frame to the left because it's bent. I've took some measurements and it's definitely bent. Can't really tell on the camera, but yeah, it's definitely bent. Took some measurements from sort of the bonnet on either side, and it's definitely over. And it is anyway, because you can see, you know, it's not, that bonnet will not shut. Right, let's get putting some pressure on. Here we go. It's going, guys. Yeah, it's definitely going. Well, let's check some measurements. Looks like a little bit more. Let's check that. I don't know if anybody was spotted that. Mounting rubber was actually the wrong way around. So I've turned that round now. I think that's pretty close now. And that one is, yeah, we're good. We're good. I'm going to put some bolts in. And I'm going to put some bolts in and see if we can now start shutting that bonnet. That leg there is pretty bloody close there, you know. That's pretty bloody close. Yeah, that just needs a twist round slightly, that bracket. Yeah, we're pretty good. We're pretty good. Right, I'm going to get some bolts in and see what we're looking like. Well, guys, that's gone absolutely beautiful so far. All this side now is all lined up beautifully. All the bolts are in, nice and tight. Everything's lined up really well. Importantly, the bonnet closes down really nicely, and a nice gentle push on the little pull on the lever inside, and the bonnet flicks up. So all that is lined up perfectly. The only thing we've got left to do now is to just give a little bit of a pull on this leg out to the right, and it looks like it's about 5 mil or something of that order. We're going to have a go. It's a bit difficult, but we're going to have a go at pushing the rail out. It's a bit tight down there. Like that. I think I mentioned earlier, this motorhome is about 6.5 ton, and it hasn't gone anywhere so far. Pull it mid-frame back there, just pulling back, stop the car from pulling away from the motorhome. So let's put a bit of pressure on this and see if we can get that leg moved out about 5 mil. And there we go, guys. That is the front end, all straightened up, all panelled up. Just got the bumper to locate and some new headlights for it to locate. But yeah, that's all nicely lined up. Wing back on. Yeah, that's looking good, isn't it? That's looking good. And of course this wing didn't come off. This was unaffected, this wing. So we replaced the bonnet and the other wing, the driver's side wing. Right, leave us your comments below, guys. Tell us what you think.